It's very good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Queen Erikah. Karibuni sana. Don't forget to leave without clicking the subscribe button. Today I want to make for you bhajia. Not the bhajia that I hear people in Nairobi saying bhajia. There's viazi karai and then there's bhajia, the one that you cook with Ndengu flour. That's what we want to cook today. I'm sure you will love this, you will enjoy it. Follow these steps one by one. And if you miss anything on my video, just go to the description box below and get the whole recipe and the procedure on the description box. Also, don't forget to leave without commenting. Also, share to your friends. Let's learn to cook simple meals together. Let's enjoy this. And thank you so much. Let's go straight into the recipe. Ingredients that we have lined up for our bhajia today. We have garlic. I have just mashed the garlic. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic. I have ground ginger. If you like, you can use the whole ginger and just grind it. Salt to taste. Carrots, I had grated them. Dhania, coriander, red onion, and then the gram flour. This is the gram flour, Unga wa Ndengu, which is this one I've used. And we are going to use baking powder. So in our bowl, we are going to put 2 cups of the gram flour in a bowl, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, so you mix this first. Then put your carrots. You just gradually add them. Put your onions. Put your dhania. This one is very simple and very easy. Let me put all the carrots. So as you mix, you want to add some water. Just gradually add the water. You don't want to put a lot of water. And also make sure that the mixture is not too thick or too soft. It has to be in the middle. If it is too thick, your bhajia will come out very hard. So we want to test if our oil is ready. I'll just put a slight pinch. Yes, it is ready. It is very ready. So let me remove this. And when you're cooking your bhajia, please use medium heat. Don't overheat the oil. Your bhajia will burn. So use medium heat. So you want to scoop with a kijiko like this, and then put like that. Put. You turn them. You don't want your bhajia to overheat. The ones that are ready, you turn. So once they start browning, that's when you remove them. You can see our bhajias, they look so colorful. You need to get that golden brown color. If you use too much heat on this bhajia, you will find that outside they are brown but inside they are not well cooked. So just use medium heat. Usikue na haraka na bhajia, lazima ndani ziive. Kwa hivyo tumia moto kidogo, endelea ukigeuza geuza bhajia zako ziive mpaka ndani. So after some time, my bhajias, as you can see, they are brown in both sides. They are brown. So we want to remove one by one, or maybe two. You drain the oil and then place them in on paper foil so that they can still continue draining the oil. Now this is bhajia. There's a difference between bhajia and viazi karai. This is bhajia. You place them there. So that is your bhajia. So these are the bhajias. I'm done cooking them. This is how they look like. See the way they are so appetizing. So our bhajias are ready. As you can see, they look so colorful, so well made, and we're about to dig it down. So I want to do the tasting. It's my favorite part. So with bhajia, first of all, bhajia you can eat as a morning as a morning breakfast. You can eat as a snack, and some people can also eat as a meal. So you can choose to eat it however. And kids also love it. It doesn't have a lot of spices. It is sweet. It is very tasty. Try this recipe, guys, and you'll tell me how it came out. So I want to taste it for you. Let me take like 2 bhajias. I have with me here chutney. No, not chutney. This is chili. I prepared some chili. So there I'll put a little bit of chili, and then I had prepared some chutney. I'll share the video for the chutney, the chili sauce, and the tamarind sauce on my next video. So keep an eye and learn how to make chutney sauce. So put some chutney, and then I'll put some tamarind sauce. There we go. So this is pili pili, chutney, and tamarind sauce. Please look out for my next video. I will show you how to make these 3 sauces. So here is our bhajia with the pili pili. Good. With the chutney. Still good. With the tamarind sauce. So good. So the bhajias, as you can see, they look so good. Let me come close. It's very good. Very good. Very yummy. Very tasty. So it's a wrap, but I won't leave before I tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. We will learn simple recipes, we will have fun, we will enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Give me your comments down below. And if you want detailed recipe for this, check on the description box below and see the detailed recipe. Follow me on all my other socials. On Instagram, I am Erikah Queen. On Facebook, Erikah Queen. And on TikTok as well, Erikah Queen. And on Twitter, Erikah Queen. Let's enjoy cooking simple meals. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.